Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Kaikane Smith here. Today I'm going to talk about briefly what How to Get Rich Teaching English is going to teach you. So basically, How to Get Rich Teaching English is a simple, step-by-step yet definitive manual containing the ultimate secrets, tips, and tricks on how to make tons of money by teaching English abroad. In my book, you will learn the secrets from the one and only master of English, business, and life in general, myself, Kaikane Smith. Do beware of the fakes guys who claim to know a thing or two about teaching English abroad. They actually most probably know little to nothing, and I can guarantee it. However, rest assured, all you need to know of how to get to where you want to be is in my amazing book, How to Get Rich Teaching English. Millions of people around the world move abroad each and every day in order to improve their boring lives, capture their dreams, and live in a faraway and enchanting land abroad. Some do fail, some do succeed. I have overly succeeded, however, and I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know and do in order to get rich teaching English. All you have to do is follow my methods, and you'll see the magic happen before you know it, and soon enough, you'll know how to get rich teaching English abroad and have tons of money in your pocket and in the bank. No matter where you want to go, as long as you know the secrets, you'll surely know how to get rich teaching English abroad and make tons of money while you're doing it. It may take a while to get situated and set up in your new country of choice of where you're going to be teaching, but you will definitely see the results as long as you stick to your plan, stay motivated, and stay focused, and stay hungry. How to Get Rich Teaching English is just the first step of your plan to success and wealth in the game of teaching English abroad and teaching private English lessons. All you have to do is read it, follow it, and simply do it. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. Take it easy and peace out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I also offer consultation services via email and Skype, and I also provide resume, cover letter, and reference services as well. For all the details, please check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and don't hesitate to get in touch with me on my contact page if you have any questions. Take it easy.